this kit you get 4 pieces. These pieces here are identical. These pieces here are similar, but they are different, and you can tell the difference because this notch is shorter than this notch. So to assemble this, get your notches lined up because there's a little bit more room on this side than there is on this side, and if you reverse them it's going to cause some complications. So it's a very easy assembly. Just take that, lock the notches together, push it down on the table, and it'll fit together nice. Same thing with this one until you hear it bottom out. And then this one, again, remember your distance on your notches. If you put it in this way, it's going to be out of alignment and it won't fit right. So put those in. Same thing, lock your notches together until you hear it come down on the table. And then everything's nice and flush on the table. And very simple to install. Just take it over to your upper console and set it in. And when you set it in the console, just push it down on the rubber mat and square anything up that needs to be squared up, and you've got it installed quickly, and you can fill it up with all your stuff.